Okay, good evening, guys. Then today we need to start the paper 2, part A. We have finished paper 1 and we'll start the paper 2. So until others join, you can try the first question. I hope you can see the screen and hear me clearly. Okay, then you can send me the answers once you try. We'll start in a few minutes. You can try the first question. Okay. The following notices have been issued regarding the interest paid by two banks, A and B, for deposits. Bank A pays an annual simple interest rate of 5.2% for your deposit. Annual simple interest rate. Next one, we have an annual compound interest rate of 5% for your deposit. So what is the difference? In annual simple interest rate, just the interest is calculated. And in bank B, the initial deposit and the interest will be accumulated and again it is calculated. So in bank A, 5.2 annual simple interest rate. Bank B, 5% compound interest rate. Okay. Then this is paper 2, part A. Someone had 80,000 rupees. He deposited exactly half of it in bank A and the remaining half in bank B. Okay. Then he had 80,000. Then what is the deposit that he has deposited in bank A? 40,000 and bank B, 40,000. First one, find the interest that someone receives for an year from this deposit in bank A. අවුරුද්දකට කොච්චරක් හම්බ වෙනවද bank A එකේ? Interest received. Okay. What is the interest? Did you calculate? You can send me. පහයි දශම දෙකයි 40,000ක් තමයි දාලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි. එතකොට මෙතන බිංදු දෙකක් කට් වෙනවා. එක බිංදුවක් ගියපම මෙතන 52යි. එතකොට මෙතන ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ 40. 52 multiplied by 40. 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 4 is 20. 2008. Second one, for his deposits, from which bank will he receive a greater income at the end of 2 years? Give reasons for your answer. එතකොට greater income කියන්නේ after 2 years, the total interest he has received. Right. Then interest from bank A. Interest for 2 years from bank A. අවුරුද්දකට 2080යි නම් අවුරුදු දෙකකට මේක දෙකෙන් වැඩි කරනවා. 0, 8 times 2 is 16, 1 remaining. 2 times 2 is 4. 4,160. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ අපි බලන්න ඕනේ දැන් bank B එකට first year එකේ interest එක කීයක්ද? the first year from bank B. 105 ගානනේ හැදෙන්නේ. 40000 40000ට 105ක් හැදෙනවා. හතරවරක් පහ 20යි. මෙතන තව බිංදු දෙකක් ඉතුරු. 2000යි. හරි. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ second year එකට I'll write it here. Interest for the first year, interest for the second year. For bank B. එතකොට මේ 2000 40000ට එකතු වෙනවා. Then it will be 42,005%. 2100. Okay. Then total interest from bank B initially 2000 plus 2100 4100. From bank A he got 4160. From bank B he got 4100. Okay, then what will be more profitable? Bank A. So as the last answer you should write since rupees 4160 is greater than is 4100, he receives a greater income from bank A. So for writing this part also you get 1 mark. Okay. Complete your answers. The next part for his okay, after 2 years someone added the amount he initially deposited and an extra amount to the total income he received from 2 deposits and invested this whole amount to buy shares of a company. The market price of a share of this company is 50 rupees. The company pays a dividend of 2 rupees per share annually. He received a dividend income of 3,600 rupees at the end of an year. Find the extra amount he added when he bought the shares. Hurry. I'll erase this. Yeah, shares අරන් තියෙනවා. Third part. After 2 years, adding the amount initially, okay, the market price of a share is 50 rupees. Company pays a dividend income of 2 rupees per share annually. He received a dividend income of 3,600. Then 2 rupees per share, he received 3,600. Then number of shares, 3,600 divided by 2. It is 1,800. Number of shares. Then we need to find the extra amount he added. හරි. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම බලමු මේ shares ගන්න එයා කොච්චරක් වියදම් කරලා තියෙනවා. Then we can write amount invested. It was 50 rupees per share. 1,800 multiplied by 50. 18 multiplied by 5. 4 remaining 9. Rupees 90 and 3 zeros. 90,000. හරි. මේ ගාන ගියේ මොකෙන්ද? After 2 years, he added the amount he initially deposited. What is the initial deposit amount? Bank A එකට 40,000ක් දුන්නා, Bank B එකට 40,000ක් දුන්නා. එතකොට මේකේ එයා ඇඩ් කරලා දිනවා interest එකත් එක්ක. එතකොට Bank A එකට 4,160යි, Bank B එකට 4,100යි නේ. හරි. Bank B එකට 4,100යි. මේකෙත් total එක plus තව amount එකක් යනවා. එතකොට අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් extra amount. Invested. Deposit එක 80,000. ඒ ගානක් දාන්න. Interest එකේ total එක 8,260. ඒකත් add කරනවා. තව x. අපි දන්නේ නැති amount එකකුත් add කරනවා. එතකොට මේක equal වෙන්න ඕනේ කීයටද? 90,000. මම යටින් ලියන්නම්. Plus 8,260 plus x equals to 90,000. Therefore, x will be equal to 90,000 minus 80,000, 10,000 minus 8,260. Zero. Here 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Here also 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Rupees 1,740. Amount he, extra amount he invested. Write down this. and send me a message when you have finished writing so we can continue. And I'm hoping to do in about a month before your examination, we'll have about 3 or 4 separate days with we'll have a sessions about 4-hour sessions with an interval, and we'll complete the whole syllabus and some past papers. So in one day we'll complete about 5 to 6 lessons including past paper questions. So ඒකේ සම්පූර්ණ theories එන්නේ අපි අනිවාර්යෙන් questions වලට එන ටික විතරයි බලන්නේ. අර exam එකට මාසෙකට විතර කලින් speed revision එකක් වගේ අපි ඒ වගේ sessions ටිකක් දාමු. Most probably we will be able to do it on December. So I'll inform the days, and before your exam we'll do that kind of thing. So it will be easy for you to memorize and remember the things that you have done in the beginning. Okay. Okay, hope you have finished writing. Then shall we move on to the next question? Second question. The sum of the lengths of two adjacent sides of a rectangle is 16 centimeters. Adjacent කියන්නේ ඔහොම තියෙන sides දෙක. මේ side එකයි මේ side එක. And the length of a diagonal is 14 centimeters. එතකොට අපි rectangle එක කොහොම ගන්නවා නම් diagonal එක කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක. I draw the figure just when I'm reading, just to understand, I'm drawing this. Show that when the breadth of the rectangle is taken as x, පළල x නම්, it satisfies the quadratic equation x squared minus x plus 30 and find separately the length and the breadth of the rectangle to the first decimal place side. එතකොට යාලා දීලා තියෙන root 34 equals to 5.83 කියලා. Okay, we'll analyze the question. The sum of the length of two adjacent sides of a rectangle. මේ වගේ එකක් කරද්දී අනිවාර්යෙන් පොඩි figure එකක් එනගන්න. හරි. rectangle එක තියෙනවා. Two adjacent sides කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ දෙක. මෙයයි මෙයයි. Opposite sides කිව්වොත් මෙයයි මෙයයි. Okay. Adjacent side දෙකේ addition එක 16 centimeters. එතකොට අපි මෙයා x කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. Length of a diagonal is 14 and breadth is x. Length of a diagonal is 14 centimeters. හරි. දැන් මෙයා a b c කියලා ගත්තොත් a දෙන්නගේ addition එක දීලා තියෙනවා 16 centimeters. AB plus BC equals to 16. BC අපි x කියලා ගත්තොත් AB length එක ගන්න පුළුවන් 16 minus x කියලා. Then this will be 16 minus x. හරි. අපි දැන් මේකේ build කරන්න ඕනේ it satisfy the quadratic equation x squared minus 16x plus 30. කොහෙන්ද quadratic equation එක build කරන්නේ? මෙයා 90 degrees, මෙයා 14 කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා, මෙයා x, මෙයා 16 minus x. using the Pythagoras theorem, I can write 16 minus x squared plus x squared equals to 14 squared. A squared minus b squared. නැත්තම් අපිට ඊට වැඩි ලෙසි කෙලින්ම මේක වැඩි කරලා ගන්න එකනේ. හරි. 16 squared minus 2 times x a minus b squared අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. 16 minus x squared, 16 squared minus 2 times x times 16 plus x squared plus x squared equals to 14 squared. හරි. එතකොට මෙතන 16 squared කියන්නේ 256 minus 32x plus x squared plus x squared equals to 196. Okay, then the format is x squared minus 16x plus 30. කියලා තමයි පෙන්වන්න තියෙන්නේ. හරි. අපිට පුළුවන් මේ දෙන්නගේ ඇඩිෂන් එක. මෙයයි ඇඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන් 2x squared minus 32x plus 256 minus 196 equals to 0. 2x squared minus 32x අපිට මේකේ වැලියු එක ගන්න පුළුවන් අයින් හැක් ගෙපම් බිඳුවයි 9 10 නැත්නම් 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 අයයි 60 plus 60 equals to 0. I can divide this by 2. X squared minus 16x plus 30 equals to 0. ඊට පස්සේ අපි මේක solve කරන්න ඕන. එක්ක මේක solve කරන්න අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් මේ method එක. නැත්නම් දැන් x squared minus 16x equals to minus 30 කියලා ලියලා x minus 8 squared minus 64 equals to minus 30. මෙයා මේ පැත්තට අරන් ගියපුවම minus 30 plus 64 ඔය method එකෙන් solve කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරි. Try to get two values for x. Either you can use this method or this method. Try to get the answer. You can send me the two answers. So there's no point of just looking at the board and writing. Try the question. Question එක මම මේකේ ලියන ගමන් ඔයාලා try කරන්න. මොකක් හරි බැරි එකක් තිබ්බොත් board එකෙන් බලලා ලියන්න. Okay. Send me the answer. they have given that root 34 equals to 5.83. So positive gattot x equals to 8 plus 5.83, 13.83. Negative gattot x equals to 8 minus 5.83. මෙතන එතකොට 7යි මෙතන 1යි මෙතන 7ක් ඉතුරුයි 2 2.17. We need to find this for the nearest first decimal place. Therefore length we can take 13.8 centimeters. Breadth we can take 2.2 centimeters. Okay, complete your answers. Okay, then we'll move on to the next question. You should do it by yourself.